Welcome to my channel where we talk about the best tech to help you work and play home and away. Today I have a comparison video you've been asking for. A face-off between the 4 different levels of in-camera stabilization on the new Insta360 Go 3 camera. So buckle up and let's discover the smoothest way to capture your adventures. Before we jump into the action, let's understand the Insta360 Go 3's 2.7k video mode stabilization options. This compact wonder offers 4 levels. Each level promises an increasing level of stabilization footage, but how do they really stack up? Now I'm testing these all on the same walk up and down this slope up to this memorial up at the top here. It's nothing too extreme, but hopefully you'll get an idea of what the Go 3 can do. First up, we have the no stabilization mode. This is really set up for a tripod or some other way of keeping the camera fixed, or maybe you want jerky, shaky footage for an effect you're trying to achieve. Okay, this is with stabilization off, climbing up these stairs, and we've got face metering on, so you should get that nicely lit up. Hey, moving on to the standard mode, things are already starting to improve. You'll experience smoother videos, making it a solid choice for everyday recording and vlogging. You'll also only see a slight delay in the preview screen when you're using it to monitor your footage, whether in standard GoPro mode, on the back of the action pod, or flipped up in selfie mode. This is now with standard stabilization on. So you can see over here, just a bit of a gravel path, some steps coming up every now and again, and me starting to get a tiny bit out of breath. Now let's kick it up a notch with the high stabilization mode. This level offers an impressive boost in smoothness, perfect for dynamic activities like running. You'll notice a moderate, longer preview delay on your built-in action pod screen though. Okay, this is high stabilization now. Just climbing some steps here, bobbing up and down a little bit. Just a little bit of gravel track there, and now back up some more steps. Finally, the max mode, the creme de la creme of stabilization on the Insta360 Go 3, at least in 2.7k mode. This is a level best suited to mountain biking or other extreme action sports, and you'll see the longest preview delay with this level of stabilization. Nearly tripped up. Okay, max stabilization here, just on this set of steps. Oh, and we're near the top. So, can we do the same? This is with stabilization off, and coming down this time. Got to keep my eyes on my feet whilst trying to keep me centered here, and you'll be able to hopefully see a little bit about how the stabilization works, and my feet are working a little bit differently, and the bounce is a little different too. Right, now this is the standard stabilization, which really is the recommended for everyday kind of activities and vlogging, and probably most of this walk would count as being everyday and okay for standard stabilization. Just a set of steps here that I'm just coming to. Yeah, just keep my eyes down on the steps, and hopefully you'll be able to see, oh yeah, how the stabilization handled that. Okay, let's move to high stabilization now. Coming up to a set of steps just here. Okay, I'll keep my eyes on the ground here. Make sure that this doesn't end up being a hospital stabilization test instead. Oh, some cute little pea waka waka or fantails just floating around me now. Okay, back up to max again as I just come around this little bit of a steep, tricky bend. Can you imagine this on a mountain bike? It'd be pretty tight, and a few more steps to come down. It's interesting, every time I look up, my face is down, so I can really see the lag on the on the stabilisation affecting the preview screen. Okay, coming down this other set of steps here and then almost on the final flight. Okay, let's have a look. And you can look down here as I'm going down these steps. It's really going up and down a little here, trying out the stabilisation, see how this handles it, and I think we're done. So, which stabilisation level is right for you? It all depends on the kind of adventure you're embarking on and your filming style. If you're just capturing some fun moments with friends, the standard mode should do the trick, and that goes for everyday vlogging and travel. The standard mode is a great option. But if you're mixing in a few more intense activities like running, road cycling, or maybe some hiking, then consider stepping it up to the high stabilisation setting. For more active pursuits like mountain biking or trail running at speed, the max mode will deliver the stability you need. All of this with the best resolution that the Go 3 can muster, with horizon leveling deactivated. If you want to keep that horizon level, then it's free frame mode and 1440p and flow state stabilization for you, which is the best stabilization the Go 3 can offer. But just how different is 2.7k footage to 1440p footage? Check out this video to find out the answer to that question, and YouTube reckons you might like this video too. I hope this comparison has given you a better idea of which mode best suits your needs. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure you hear more from me. Cheers and go well.